Hello to all our test tube members and welcome to our latest kit, which we've called It's a Gas, for reasons that you'll see later. For the first part of the experiments in this kit, you'll need some bicarbonate of soda and some citric acid, a spoon from the kit, a piece of dowel, a short length of copper tube, and a syringe. This one I've filled with water. A flat plate will be useful, as will a screwdriver or something similar with a steel shaft, and importantly this pair of safety spectacles which we've included with the kit, and we advise you to wear these at all times when dealing with powder or metal or any kind of experiment at all. Firstly, using the spoon, take 2 spoons of sodium bicarbonate and 1 spoon of citric acid. And then, using the syringe, add 4 or 5 drops of water. And this is where you're going to get a bit messy. Using your fingers, mix the powder and the drops of water up until the mixture starts to stick together between your fingers. If it still feels a little bit powdery to you, add another drop or 2 of water. You can see it's fizzing here. That's perfectly normal. Next, take the piece of copper tube supplied with the kit. There may be some rough edges or burrs around the end of the tube, so using a screwdriver blade or something similar, just smooth these down. Be very careful when you're doing this, because the burrs could be sharp. If in any doubt, ask your mum or dad to do this bit for you. When you're happy that they're smooth, use the copper tube to make a plug of the material that we've got mixed on the plate. You can press this down firmly with the piece of dowel. Then, when it's packed firmly, ease the mixture out of the copper tube to form a plug. You should have enough mixture on the plate to make about 4 of these pellets. Now might be a good time to wash your hands, because they may be a bit sticky from using the citric acid, and these 4 pellets that we've got in front of us are going to be the subject of some really fun experiments.